Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make salad pasta recipe. Start by boiling salted water and cooking the pasta al dente, then drain and rinse under cold water. While pasta cools, chop vegetables into bite-sized pieces and toss in a large bowl. Whisk olive oil, vinegar, mustard, salt, and pepper to make a balanced dressing, then combine everything and chill briefly before serving. In this video, I will show how to make salad pasta recipe. After rinsing pasta, add a splash of olive oil to keep strands separate and set aside to cool. Combine cooled pasta with chopped vegetables, herbs, and any proteins you like such as grilled chicken or chickpeas. Add dressing gradually, tasting as you go, and adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon for brightness before serving. In this video, I will show how to make salad pasta recipe. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes in the kitchen effortless with a glare-free screen and long battery life, so you can follow along without smudging pages. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make salad pasta recipe. Try variations like Mediterranean with feta and olives, or a creamy version with yogurt and herbs to change the mood. For make-ahead lunches, keep dressing separate and toss just before eating to preserve texture and freshness. Garnish with herbs and a final grind of black pepper, and consider a squeeze of lemon to lift the whole dish.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.